Would you like to be compensated for every view on this website? It's not only new, but it's also completely free and available all across the world. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Finally, I'll give you a free additional tool that will put everything on autopilot. As a result, you'll be able to profit passively for those clicks. But first, let's see if you have everything you'll need to make this work. To begin, you will require a device such as a laptop, computer, tablet, or smartphone. Second, you'll require an internet or Wi-Fi connection. Lastly, you must be able to click, and if you have those three, you'll be able to pull this off. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. First and foremost, let me demonstrate that this works globally. As you can see here, everyone can join. Anyone, anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. You won't have to sell anything because you'll be paid per click. This is not an affiliate program or a service that shorten links. People will not be required to join up for anything and will not be required to spend any money at all. All they have to do is click, and that's all. So this is really one of the simplest methods to start generating money online, especially when combined with the next website I'm about to show you. You can use the said website to get those clicks on total autopilot. First and foremost, let's clear this. You've probably been using Google for a while, and like the other 3 billion people on the planet, you probably used it regularly. They do it every day, so billions of people use Google to get answers and explore the web, and it's completely free to do so. However, instead of using Google today as your search engine, we will be using this one right here to earn hundreds of dollars online. The difference between Google and this program is that the site will truly pay you for each click, and you will be paid 20 cents per click. This is because they recognize Google as a major rival and want to encourage more people to use their search engine instead of Google. That's why they're willing to give you 20 cents every click by using their platform. So, I strongly advise you to jump on this as soon as possible and make use of the second platform, which I'll show you in a moment. The search engine we will be using and will pay us 20 cents per click is no other than EntireWeb.com. When you come over to this website or this searching site, you will see these 3 lines at the top corner. Have a click on these 3 lines right here. By doing so, these categories will pop up. You will see Home, Services, Free Submission, SEO, and many more. But there's just one thing you should be interested in if you want to make money, and that's affiliate marketing. As a matter of fact, this website will pay you 20 cents for every click. As you can see here, get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. So you need to persuade individuals who use Google frequently to go to EntireWeb.com, and if they utilize your link, you'll earn 20 cents each click. Maybe you will think that this is a small amount of money, but if you think wider and just imagine the individuals you convince, you will do 1,000 clicks, which is a minimum click per person in a day. You will be earning $200. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn hundreds of dollars in that manner. As you can see below, get paid for every click. We'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. Moving sideward, it has a high conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. And as I said earlier, everyone can join. Anyone, anywhere with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And the insane thing here is, it's easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. To start making money online using this manner, all we are going to do on this page is click on Create Account right here. Doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your first name, last name, your own tracking ID, and here your username. Here below, this additional information will be optional, as you can see. You may fill in this information if you have, and if none, we will be proceeding. Now on this portion, you will be choosing your payment method and entering all the necessary details to be compensated for the task you have done. have a check on this box to enter their terms and conditions and click on sign up right here. It should take no more than a minute to complete the registration process. You are not required to wait for approval in any way. And this is what you'll see once you've logged into your complete online account. If you click on home, at the left portion of the site, you will see this one right here. As you can see, there were 0 clicks, 0 commissions, impressions, and refunds because this is a brand new account. So, in order to start receiving those clicks, you'll need first to have your affiliate link. You can find your affiliate link on the upper portion of the site. All you need to do now is copy this one right here. If someone clicks on this link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click. So all you're doing is directing visitors to a website named entireweb.com, where they may begin surfing the web and clicking on other websites. You are compensated for each click, which is a really basic and straightforward process. But for now, once you've got your long affiliate link, head over to bit.ly.com to make it short and sweet. Once you have already arrived on this platform, simply paste your link right here and click on shorten. Now you have a complete short and sweet URL. To put this on complete autopilot with the potential to reach millions of clicks, you'll need to follow the method I'm going to share. To begin, go to docs.google.com and create a new document. Here, you may write a quick message and establish a call to action for your unique bit.ly link, which will send them to your affiliate link. For example, I wrote this one right here, but you may also copy this one or just create a new one for you. As you can see, I have attached my affiliate link right here. Once you've already created your call to action, all you need to do is download it right away. The traffic source that we will be using to make millions of clicks is no other than slideshare.net. This platform is wherein you can share and drop your article and have millions of views. If we go to similarweb.com, we will see that over 92 million individuals visited slideshare.net in the past few days. It's literally insane. If we go back to the homepage of slideshare.net, we will see that this article below was earning millions of views. Many individuals are reading those articles on slideshare.net, especially because it's completely free. So, you'll need to sign up by clicking the sign up button right here. After you can establish your own account, just click on the upload button right here. Doing so, you will be redirected to this page right here, wherein you can now upload the files or the PDF that we just created earlier from Google Docs. Just click on the select file to upload and choose the PDF and you're done. With this post, you can reach over 100 million people, allowing them to view and try the entire web for themselves. And you will be paid 20 cents for each click you generate. 100 clicks equal $20, 1,000 clicks equal $200, and 10,000 clicks equal $2,000, all for free using this website. So, to get $2,000, you just need 10,000 clicks, which are very easy to come by. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.